Input and output statements. Today we are going to see about input and output statements in C programming. There are two input and output statements. One is formatted and unformatted. Formatted is a structured input and output statement. It uses specific formats like percentage %d, percentage %s, etc. And unformatted is nothing but just want the raw characters of a strings of input and output. Input means taking a data from the users. Output is displaying the data from the users. In this we have a printf and a scanf. Printf is nothing but it uses for displaying the informations we are given in the programming. Scanf, it is used to get the information from the user. And output syntax, in this there is a output syntax called printf, format string and a variable. Format string is nothing but we are using like percentage %d, yes, etc. These are the format specifiers. And in this we have given an example for our output statement. Here there is first we are included the header files and a main function. In main function we are given the data type and the variable name is equal to 20. In this printf means we are going to display the message we got. Here they asked the age, so they are in the display we are given my age is. And percentage %d, in the percentage %d mentions whether it is the which data types it specifies. In percentage %d gives the data type integer. And age means we are getting the information from the scanf. So next, input statements. Syntax for input statement is scanf, format specifier and variable, and refers to the address of the variable. Format specifier refers to the which data type we are using. Example, in the same example what we have given in the output statement. Here extra we are adding a line that is scanf. In scanf, percentage %d refers to the format specifier and unformatted input and output statement. This deals with the characters and strings directly. There are two input and output statements. One is getChar and another is putChar. getChar reads a single character. PutChar prints a single character. This does the work of printf and scanf. This is the example for the characters of input and output statement. This gets the read a string, puts its read with print a string. Operators are used for the specifications of the operator. In operators there are multiple types of operators. Operators and operands. Operators has a symbol and a variable. Okay, operands refers to the variable we are giving. Operator refers to the which mathematical work which we are going to do. Example for this: int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, c is equal to a plus b. In int a is equal to 10, we are given the input for a and b. C is equal to a plus b. In this, plus refers to the operand. A and b refers to the operands. Plus refers to the operator and a and b refers to the operand. C is equal to a plus b. That means it is the full expression. That means operator and operands are in the same variable. So it gives an expression. Types of operator. There are multiple types of operators such as arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, bitwise operator, conditional operator, and size of operator. Arithmetic operator. It used to perform a basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and modulus. Here is the examples for the arithmetic operators. And relational operator. Relational operator can be said as a comparison operator. It compares the two values and give whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is returns 1, if the condition is true. Otherwise, the condition is false. Here is the example for the comparison operators. Logical operator. Logical operator check the condition true or false. Okay, here the sum of the logic, it works by using the truth table and or and not. Logical, here is the example for the logical operator and assignment operator. Assignment operator is used to assign the values of the variable. The most common is equal to. Here it combines the arithmetic. It combines the arithmetic with the assignment operators. And here is the example for an assignment operator. A plus is equal. In the example output, there is a plus equal to 5. That means we can put a plus b, we put also same meaning, or plus is equal to also gives the same meaning. And increment and decrement operator. In increment operator, we can increment the values by increasing. Decrement operator, we can decrement the value. There are two types: pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment used to first it increases the value, then it works the program. A post-increment means first it gives the value and then it will increase. Decrement operator. In decrement, same process as the increment operator. Here is the example for the increment and decrement operator. Bitwise operator. Bitwise operator works in zeros and ones by using a truth tables and or and not operator. Conditional operator. Conditional operator is also can called as a ternary operator. Here is the syntax for the conditional operator is condition, expression 1 and expression 2. This gives when the expression 1 is true, then it works. Here is the example for the condition operator. And size of operator. Size of operator is nothing but it gives the bytes, data types and variables. What is the types of the operator? And next is operator precedence. Operator is precedence is nothing but this gives which expression must be evaluated first. Whether, for example, there is a plus b star c. In this, star has a higher precedence. So first we should evaluate b star c, and then from that answer only we should evaluate a plus b. Okay, this is the operator precedence. Example.